Hello beauties, welcome to my kitchen. That's me, your girl B Buteleze. Please don't forget to click the red button. Don't forget to subscribe. If you would like to cook some of the dishes that I have made before, please check the description box down below. Today we are making kolaches. As you can see in front of you, we have nice kolaches, but let's get to it. Let me show you the ingredients, what we're gonna be using. As you can see, I'm holding yeast, and we have 1.5 cups of flour, next to me, as you can see, I am holding castor sugar. I'm gonna be adding castor sugar inside the yeast and the flour. And now next to me I have a warm milk. Make sure that your milk is not cold but warm. As you can see, we have melted butter and 1 egg. That's what I'm gonna be adding. I'm gonna add the egg inside the milk, and then we stir. As you can see right now, I am pouring our warm milk inside the flour, and we are adding warm melted butter inside. Now keep on watching. Right now, as I'm done, you can see I am adding a cold butter to my dough, and I'm gonna be using my hand to knead my dough to be soft. As you can see, we are done with our dough. Now it's time to cut out the round shape. But as you can see, I am already done with the round shape. Now we are cutting the middle of our dough. Now I'm gonna show you later why we are cutting the rounds. Please keep on watching. Now don't forget to have an extra egg, as right now you see we are brushing like our base with an egg. What we are brushing right now is the base that we're gonna be using for our kolaches, and then the one with the ring in the middle is gonna be our top. I'm gonna show you later how we go about it. Now the moment has arrived. As you can see, the top is the one with the ring in the middle, and the one we brushed with the egg is the one we use underneath. As you can see, I'm trying to make another shape where we try to make like sort of like a space in the middle where we're gonna be filling our kolaches with some fruits. As you can see, we have been filling our kolaches with different fillings, and for sure you guys can't wait for us to bake our kolaches. Now my oven is hot, and please ensure that you set your oven to 180 degrees. Before you even put your ingredients together, ensure that you set your oven to 180 before you even do anything. Now the moment has arrived where we have to bake our kolaches. For sure you guys can't wait, because myself, I can't wait. While we are baking like another tray of kolaches, now let's keep on rolling and making another shape while we are waiting. The moment of the truth has arrived. Guys, we have been baking our kolaches for 15 minutes. As you can see, we have nice, yummy, tasty kolaches. If you would like to bake some, please check the ingredients down below. I will just put ingredients for you to make this easy for you, so that you go and bake the kolaches for your family. And please let me know how you went. Bye bye. I love you guys. You guys are awesome. You guys are wonderful. Bye bye.